When we decide to buy a camera, we look at some of its features before buying, like megapixel, optical zoom, resolution, focus, frames per second and so on. But, now let us forget all these features for a moment, and consider only a single feature, that is frames per second. What if someone tells you that a camera can capture 10 trillion frames per second? Would you believe? Yes, it's true. Researchers have developed world's fastest camera, what they call a teacup, that can capture 10 trillion frames per second. It makes it possible to freeze time, to see phenomena in extremely slow motion. Even light. To know more about this, continue watching the video.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Astronomy Daily.
CUP stands for Compressed Ultra-Fast Photography. INRS professor and ultra-fast imaging specialist, Jinyang Liang and his colleagues, led by Caltech's Lihong Wang, have developed what they call T-Cup, the world's fastest camera, capable of capturing 10 trillion, that is 10 raised to 13 frames per second. Professor Lihong Wang, director of Caltech Optical Imaging Laboratory, says, they knew that by using only a femtosecond streak camera, the image quality would be limited, so they added another camera that acquired static image. Radon transformation can be used to obtain high-quality images while recording 10 trillion frames per second, when combined with the image acquired by the femtosecond streak camera. The camera can analyze interactions between light and matter, at an unparalleled temporal resolution, and can power new generation microscopes.
Thanks for watching. To know more about astronomy, please subscribe to my channel Astronomy Daily and press the bell icon to get new video updates.